I'm going to corner mark here for everyone. There's a blue GS. There's Nick the Quick. There's a big 1600. There's a classic older GS Silver. Yeah, sounding smooth, that one. Oh, did you hear that? Sounds smooth. Hey, I can hear some noise. Someone's playing music. Oh no, it's my headphones. Sorry, my headphones are on low. Thought someone's playing music. Cute. Here they come. 700 GS red one. Classic old Gore. Ooh, Johno's got his bike polished up really good with that. Oh, I think he's got that laminate stuff on his bike that protects it and makes it shine. Looking really schmick. Here we go, classic GS. Big one, 1200 GT. Looks like tail ends here. XR. Bluey. There you go. There's the Entourage. Wildwood Road North. Oh, I see. We were on Wildwood Road South before. Now we're on Wildwood Road North. There you go, that makes sense. Straight. Not rocket science road. Gee, I've got to adjust this bloody mirror. It's too much this way. I've got to adjust it out. Nice countryside, nice big and wide. Yeah, I dropped me GSA off for a service. I needed the clutch done. So we got the clutch fixed. I don't think they replaced the whole thing, just some of the plates, and it was $11.50 to change some of those plates and do the service. But yeah, 30,000 k's on the clock, and I had to get the clutch fixed. But that's not typical, that's just the way I have used the clutch. Wink wink. So yeah, otherwise your clutch should go for ages, like 100,000 or something, you know, if you're not doing that sort of stuff. But even if you're doing that sort of stuff, if you're doing it right, you can still make it last longer. It's just how savvy are you with your clutch, that's all. How much in the know are you with your clutch? So yeah, bike's ready, gotta go pick it up. But I don't know, I might have to delay. I'm waiting for some money to hit my account, and it hasn't hit yet, so I might have to delay a day. Now the question is, do I go back and return the bike, or wait till tomorrow? I think I'll wait till tomorrow. Wait till tomorrow. That'd be wise. Yeah. Wait till tomorrow. We're going to turn. Looks like we're going on left. Nice countryside there. Good hills. The hills are alive with the sound of music. Sorry, the hills are alive with the sound of Beemers. Gee, that turn's quite tight, isn't it? Nice winding valley. There's a car coming over there, and there's a river coming over here. windy coming over there. And there's a windy coming over here. And there's the end of the street right here. And K1600 Tourers giving us a signal. There's a Donny bike, South Bank bike, clear, 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 and go. Alright, I'll bring you back when it's a bit more interesting, eh? I think that's it for now. Open stretch now. Alright, later.